Please take the next 20 minutes to view our exhibits that bring to life the astonishing story of Charnwood Forest's 560 million-year-old fossils. Be sure to take in the thousands of fossil models made by local Leicestershire school children. And by the way, yes, they are life-size, as well as the displays in the chapel. Join us back here in about 20 minutes when the light show will begin.
You know what I mean? It's not as bad. What I want a 3D printer for is twofold. I want to make a Christmas tree on this to get
for making tonight possible through the Charnwood Forest Landscape Partnership Scheme. We are also indebted to everyone at the Bradgate Park Trust and all the volunteers, both from the Trust and the Geopark, who have made tonight possible. Also, please join me in saying thank you to the tech team who have all put so much in to making the last 3 nights possible. Thank you, everyone. If you'd like to know more about the Geopark, please visit us at charnwoodforest.org or follow us on social media. Thank you once again for attending Geopark in the Dark, and at this point we wish you a safe journey home and encourage you to proceed back to the car park via the exit over by the chapel.